Hey all, today we're going to be unboxing an LV purchase I made for some bling bling. Stick around. Hey all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel is all about treating yourself to a little bit of luxury, whether that be your cup of coffee, your favorite fragrance, a handbag, jewelry, makeup, skincare, what have you, anything that makes you feel a little bit better about yourself because you deserve it. Please treat yourself. You do deserve a little bit of goodness here and there. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, click the like button, all that lovely YouTubey stuff. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. So today I have something that was on the rumor mill of being discontinued from Louis Vuitton. So I was going to buy it. I put it on my wish list, and then I was like, nah, do I really want it? Do I really want it? So it's inside of my wish list for about 6 months, and I think it's been about 6 months. I'm pretty sure it's about 6 months. I like wanted it for my birthday. And then it did go off the website. It was item unavailable for quite some time, and I was just kicking myself going, why didn't I buy it? I went on to Fashion File and all the reseller websites, and they were going for hundreds of dollars more than what they were on the website. And then lo and behold, I go on there a couple weeks ago and they're back in stock. There's a whole bunch of other ones there too that I thought were cute, but these ones I liked the most. And I'm like, okay, and the price didn't go up. It seemed like they were the same price. I'm like, this is so odd. And I went back to Fashion File, and there they are for a couple $100 more than what they are on the website. So I just signed for them. They just got delivered. So yeah, we're gonna open them up and see if they're all I was hoping for. Let's hope. Let's hope. They come in this little tiny box. Make sure that receipt. Got you. Oh, that was just a note saying I bought these because I got promoted and I got my raise for that. So treat yourself, like I said, you did something. So yeah, the receipt and everything is on there. Fabulous. All right, let's put this all back together. What do you guys do with your receipts? I have literally an old LV box, medium-sized box, and I'm just stuffing them in there, and it's almost full. So I need a new place for them. So cute. Take the little ribbon off. Oh, wow, they tied that one tight. They took gift packaging seriously. Was it a slide off? I normally wouldn't on this kind, but so I wasn't sure with jewelry if it would come in just a normal small box, but it apparently is. So there's that, and they come in this little tiny pouch. A little plastic. That's kind of, I don't know. Does that feel kind of chintzy to you, have it be in plastic? I think it does. I mean, personally, I think it should be on like a nice like backing or something. But you know, here they are in this little plastic. So there's the tag. So these are the blooming. So one has the LV and the other is the flower. The item code is M64859. Let's put these in. I won't say that they're smaller than I thought they'd be, but this one feels like odd in my ear, like tight. I don't know. Let's see if I can zoom you in here. Yeah, I mean, I think that they're nice. See, this one feels a little funky in my ear, so maybe it just takes some getting used to. I believe they are brass, so gold-plated brass on there. Is there anything else in here that I need to know? No. There's a dog out there barking, so Boo's going crazy. So yeah, just M64859. I believe I paid $385 for them. I'm pretty sure the last price increase was quite some time ago. So there was a rumor that another price increase was coming soon. So I thought I would get some more. But I'm going to throw a couple images up of the other style I was considering, because there are a couple on there right now that have so this little charm thing that is hanging. There's a couple styles on there now for a little bit more money that the charm part could come off, and those were really intriguing, because they'd be, you know, 2 earrings in one or 3 earrings, you know, because you could just change the way they look. So I almost went with that because of the versatility of being able to change out this, because these do not cannot come off. They have 2 stoppers at either end, so they do not they're not interchangeable. So I'm liking it. I'm happy I got them. I just wish that there'd been a box or something. So I think that's kind of a, I don't know. I expect a lock to be in there or something. It just seemed like it should have been in a nicer presentation than a plastic bag. Just saying. But these are my new blooming earrings. Thanks for joining.